So what does it take to win in a world of increasing competition? Optimal performance. The problem is that it's harder to achieve than it has to be. Industries are moving from a world of no data to a situation where data chaos is the new problem. You're blinded by the data and you can't discover the opportunities to improve, and it's close to impossible to see the threats to avoid. But what if you could use your data to stay one step ahead? Clarify translates the chaos of the physical world into actionable insights for humans and AI. By pairing our platform with your team's expertise, we turn overwhelming noise into measurable impact. To be able to deliver value and solve complex technical challenges, we partnered with Google Cloud and Devoteam. This collaboration lets us scale our data infrastructure, empower next-generation industrial operation, and enable physical AI. Together, we help industries like aquaculture, energy, logistics, and defense innovate faster with their data. Our customers are cutting costs, increasing profits, and doing more with less every day. And with actionable data, your team can finally focus on work that matters. Wherever there's complexity, there's a need to clarify.